Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to unbox 3x3 high-speed Rubik's Cube. So let's start unboxing it. So here is our Rubik's Cube. This is our Rubik's Cube. So they have given an bubble wrapping on it. So let's open the box. So this is the cube. So this cube is very smooth and it does not even stop. Let me show you. It is stickerless, as you can see. I bought this Rubik's Cube for Rs 149. If you want to buy this Rubik's Cube, then the link is given below in the description box. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.